I'm Nia and I'm a complementary therapist. I work from Canolfan Seren, based here in Bethania in Ceredigion. I've been a complementary therapist now over 12 years and I offer a range of therapies from massage to Reiki. I'm passionate in Reiki healing as I see the benefits are huge. Reiki is a safe, non-invasive healing technique where the energy flows through the person's hands and goes to wherever the body needs the healing. Now I thought we'd have a go at feeling our own energy. So I thought we'd shake our hands up and down. Once more. And then slowly bring your hands in together and then pull out slowly. So you should feel some tingling in between your fingertips or a pull in between your hands or a change in temperature. Now this is your energy and this is what we work with. So like I said, the benefits of Reiki healing are huge, and some of the benefits are deep relaxation, can help to lower blood pressure, can help with grief, separation or loss, can help to uplift mood, depression, anxiety, can help to reduce pain, fatigue and much more. So my first experience of Reiki was in my 20s when I had a massage with my therapist at the time called Jackie, and she asked me would I be willing for her to do some Reiki on me, and I said yes, of course. Well, the benefits for me were huge, from deep relaxation, and I felt the heat on my chest where I had pain at the time and the pain had just disappeared. And I just thought, I've got to know how to do this. So that was the beginning of my journey with Reiki. Now, I really feel strongly about health and well-being, and I know it's important and how important it is to feel relaxed. So I thought I'd give you a taster of 10 to 15 minutes meditation to help you relax. So if you can get yourself a glass of water and get yourselves comfortable sitting or lying down with your eyes closed, and I will have some water and put the music on. Okay. Everybody ready? So we'll start with a 3x3 breaths. So if you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Start, and again, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Once more, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And come back to your normal breath. Now I want you to visualize a pure white light of peace and love coming through your crown chakra, which is the top of your head, going through your head to your face. Relax all the muscles in your face, eyes, mouth, going down the throat and neck area to your chest and heart area, to your arms and fingers, to your stomach, down to your sacral, to your pelvis area, down to your legs and feet, and let the white light go through your feet, deep into the earth like roots of a tree. Now your body is fully relaxed. Allow the visualization to begin. Imagine you're in a tropical forest. You're walking through this forest towards the ocean. You can hear the nature around you. What can you hear? The birds, animals. You hear the waves up ahead. You can smell the ocean spray. The air is moist and warm. So you feel a pleasant breeze blowing through the trees. You walk along the path, coming closer to the sea. As you come closer to the edge of the trees, you see the brilliant aqua colour of the ocean ahead. You walk out of the forest and onto a long stretch of white sand. The sand is soft and you feel the sand nice and warm under your feet. The beach is wide and long. You are the only person on this beach. That is beautiful, clean and warm. The only beings are the nature around you. You walk towards the sea. Hearing the waves crashing to the shore. Smell the clean salt water and the beach. You gaze again towards the water. It's bright green, blue in colour. See the waves washing up onto the sand and receding back towards the ocean. Washing up and flowing back. Enjoy the rhythm of the waves. Imagine yourself walking towards the water. You're feeling quite warm as the sun is lovely and hot. As you approach the water, you can feel the mist from the ocean on your skin, which is quite refreshing. You walk closer to the waves and you feel the sand becoming wet and firm under your feet. A wave washes over the sand towards you and touches your toes. As you move forward, more waves wash over your feet. That lovely feeling of water on your feet. You walk further into the clean water if you wish, or stay on the edge of the water if not. If you walk in, you can see the white sand under the water with little fish swimming about. What else can you see? You walk further into the water. Swim if you wish. Enjoy the ocean for a few minutes. Allow the visualization, relaxation to deepen. More and more relaxed. You notice the dolphins playing together. You have the option to swim with them. What do you feel, see? Now you are feeling calm, relaxed and refreshed. You start to come back to the edge of the water, saying goodbye to your dolphin friends that you're swimming with. Taking your time. You come out of the water and onto the beach feeling very, very relaxed. You stroll along the beach free of worries, very calm and enjoying this time. Up ahead is a chair. Sit or lie down on the chair, enjoying the sun, its warmth on your skin and shoulders. You feel a gentle breeze. You feel very peaceful and relaxed. When you are ready to return, do so very slowly. Get up from the chair on the beach. Walk back through the forest to the start of your destination, feeling very relaxed and calm. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth 3 times. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time. In through the nose and out through the mouth. With your eyes still closed, and as you come round, start with your toes by wiggling them. Then your feet and ankles. Feel your legs, hips, pelvic area. Then your abdomen, chest, back, arms and hands, shoulders, wiggle your shoulders, your neck, back of your head and your face. All the muscles in your face, the top of your head, and the last thing before you open your eyes, imagine a white light of pure love and peace, again going through your body, from the top of your head, going through your body, through your legs, your knees, down to your feet. Let the white light go through your feet, deep, deep into the earth, like roots of a tree. Then, in your own time, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed that meditation. Please drink plenty of water. If you'd like to contact me to discuss anything that we've discussed today during this video, please contact me on our website in Canolfan Seren or through Facebook or Instagram. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Bye. Diolch.